Hi, I'm Scott Onstott, and I'd like to welcome you to Humanoid Characters in Unity. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to know to create a simple puzzle chase game employing a third-person player character that you control and an enemy non-player character that's controlled by an artificial intelligence. This course is for beginners who either have no experience or may have dabbled in Unity with characters and want clarity on how character creation, rigging, animation, finite state machines, character controller components, custom C# scripting, game controllers, and much more comes together to make a playable game. The software that I use in the course is all available free, including Unity Personal Edition, Microsoft Visual Studio Code, Autodesk Character Generator, Adobe Fuse, Adobe Mixamo, and free samples from RenderPeople.com. I happen to use Adobe Photoshop, but you can use any image editor in the course, including GIMP, which is free. Coordinating all of this is actually a lot easier than it sounds, but I'll take you step by step through this wide collection of topics and tools in the course of building a simulation, which eventually evolves into a simple yet entertaining game. To take this course, all you need is a Mac or a Windows computer. Let's get started.